Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Zcash is doing today. So looking at the daily chart that I mentioned a while back, so this looks pretty good and pretty promising, especially if we break above the $75 mark. I mentioned that this is a possible double bottom forming, and those patterns are very good. It makes you a lot of money. Now, before we get all excited how much money we're gonna make here, we gotta get there. So we're not there yet. So let's just go back to the daily chart, zoom in a little bit. So from the swing high from what, February to March 13, like every other alt, I mentioned we're gonna have some resistance as a 60% retracement. 78% retracement. So the 63.97 level, which we did. We retested that. We pulled back. Now, if you did not get long at the 61% retracement, so the $54 level, I wouldn't do much right now. We might see a little bit of a drift lower there, but looking at with the candle today, it looks like we're going to be holding above the 20-day moving average, which is good. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to help the channel out, reach out 7 billion people, and we're going to teach everyone how to trade the crypto market so everyone can make some money, and we can stop depending on the crooks, the bankers. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money. So that being said, I think worst case scenario we'll hit the 61%. Unless Ethereum completely goes to the pooper and Bitcoin pulverizes Ethereum, I don't see this breaking, to the $47 mark, because then you have a 200-day moving average right at that level. So I don't see that happening, at least right as of today. Could it happen? Yes. Is it possible? Yes, but I don't know just yet. Whoever tells you that they know exactly where stuff is going is a bunch of liars. So I think we're going to encounter some support at this level, which we are. So we just kind of have to wait and see. I wouldn't do anything because risk to reward doesn't check out to me. But if you are writing this, as I mentioned, in the last video, if you're kind of writing this, then I would just hold for now, because you have a lot of potential coming up here at the $75 level. And if we are at that level, I would definitely watch that level very closely, because if we break above that, then you're gonna make a lot of money, trading this pair. So I kind of want to wait and see. The best trade is the one that you do nothing. If you do nothing, wait until the dust settle, that's your best trade. So that being said, there's not much I could say on this pair. Just kind of wait and see. If we drift a little bit lower, I would see what happens at the 61% retracement level, and probably go get my feet wet. Not go very big position wise, but just kind of get my feet wet, because risk to reward will check out. So that being said, guys, we're trying to narrow down how often we're gonna post the video, so just make sure you leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them in our private chat. We're posting every day, setups daily. You have somebody to hold your hand at all times. Here we're kind of playing with that. So, and if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.